Evening world, Hippy Trev here, and backed by popular demand. Roll that intro.
It's the Hippy Trev cooking show. What will he cook this time? Who knows? Let's sit back and see what he makes. So start cooking already, Trev, for fuck's sake.
Cooking with Hippy Trev. Alright, well, so a few of you might have watched my video today where I had all the Snowy's food come in. Couple of people there, all they wanted to do is just basically criticise and say, oh, you can't live on this shit and it's bad for you and all that sort of stuff. I don't really plan on living on it. And I did kind of overbought, but anyway, and I'm doing this one tonight for TJ and Sol. He asked me to maybe do a cooking show tonight, so it's basically just another cooking review. This is of nasi goreng, or whatever. I can't even pronounce it properly, so I don't even know what this is. So I've got my awesome purple kettle. We'll just chuck that on the stove, get it boiling. That'll take a while. That might take a while. Open her up, have a look what's in here. I've never had one of these before. I think I bought 2 or 3 of these. I've never actually I've never had one of these before. I bought 2 or 3 of these in the pack of there was actually 26. I thought I bought 27, but there was 26. All right, I'll bring you over. Someone said they're just shit, all this food. And Peter Hughes, who put me on it, he just loves this stuff. And I mean, yeah, you're not supposed to live on it, but there's proper veggies and stuff in there. And as old mate Gracie just said on a comment before, he's been looking for something way better than 2-minute noodles, and these things shit all over 2-minute noodles. Like, this is a 90 gram pack. They're about $8, and that's a pretty good feed. So what you do, you put 188 mils of boiling water in there, get the air out, seal it up. Let it sit for 15 minutes, grab your fork and eat it straight out of the fucking bag. You can't do much better than that. And yeah, there was a couple of people there that just negative, like, for fuck's sake, you know. I mean, if you're going away camping and so forth, if you're on the road for a couple of days, you throw a couple of these in your pack. You don't have to worry about dishes. You don't have to worry about dishes. You don't have to worry about carrying bulk foods. Not only that, you can eat that, like I said, you eat out of the bag. When you finish, you roll your bag up, stick it back in the pack where you're traveling with. They're perfect for being on the bike. So if you like to go camping somewhere, I mean, these are pretty good meals. There's these ones. And like I said, I did overbought. There's 26 meals in here. It's just, oh, you know, so they're the smaller ones. And then I'm trying to find these. Most of these, I've got a few bigger ones. Where are they? Yeah, this is the creamy carbonara. They're the full meals. They're 175 grams. So you put 500 mils water in there, let it cook, sit for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. The biggest mistake I gave Joe, one to send out, and the biggest mistake he made, you put too much water in there, so I end up like soup. Let that sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You can just open her up, eat straight out of the bag. So, no, I didn't buy these to live on them. I bought these because usually, sometimes late at night, I get a little bit hungry and I don't want to cook a feed. And basically, I've gone off steak. Well, I can't afford steak anymore, especially the prices in our town. Our supermarket's got very limited of anything in there to get, you know, even fresh. I've been buying my avocados, doing my avocados and Tabasco sauce, and I've been opening up and they're brown, they're rotten inside. They end up going straight out the chook. So I get them home, only have them a couple of days, they feel a little bit firm. Wait a couple of days, just have them sitting there, open them up, completely brown and rotten on the fucking inside. So, and yeah, I cannot afford to eat steak, I just can't. So, the kettle's just about to boil. I love my purple kettle, it's so gorgeous. I'm scary about with cute Jodies, and I get this phone call, got to stop in the fucking shop, blah blah blah. So I've got something here for you, so I roll up and they put away the gorgeous little purple kettle for me. Right, so open the bag, got me Pyrex measuring jug. Someone had a go on me about that the other day. So look, these people want to have a go on me about buying these meals, you know, just fuck off. You know, I do what I want to do. I mean, if I want to live on fucking snowy mountains, fucking, or snowy fucking black country cuisines, I'll fucking live in it. I don't need you people to tell me they're shit and they're full of sodium and all the other crap. I know, I mean, the amount of shit I put in my body during my life, you think that this is going to make any difference? So, yeah, take your criticism and shove it up your fucking ass. Don't need it. And if you don't like it, then just fuck off, you know? Like, I'm not Hippy Trev's fucking health food channel, that's for damn fucking sure. So there we go, just pour the water in, give it a bit of a stir around. Yeah, mix it up real good. I find sometimes if I don't mix it up properly, You get to the bottom of the bag and you get like the salty of the seasoning they put in there is just not mixed up properly. So that looks pretty chunky and pretty good. Take all the air out of it. And there we go. What's the time now? So it's 22:07 in the PM, so around 5 to 7 o'clock, I'll be ready to open the bag up and eat. So I just got a message from someone. Who's that from? All right, that's from old mate Smokey. I'll get back to him in a minute. So, righto world, so I'll get back to you in about 15-20 minutes and let you know what it tastes like. So whatever this is, Nasai Goring, and someone said he was some sort of emperor of China that got rid of all the rabbits. We need one of him. We need one of him over in Australia to get rid of all our fucking little fucking bunny rabbits. So, right, well, I'll get back to you in about 20 minutes. Bye. Right, well, it's been about 15 minutes and we're back. This should be ready to go. What I normally do is I get a pair of scissors out. Actually, I'll point you down a bit. Right, so what I normally do, I get the pair of scissors out, cut it to about there, and then just eat it straight out of the bag. So I've never had this one before, so I'm looking forward to getting into it. So that's what it looks like. Rightio, sitting down at my messy desk. I'm going to get into it. Looks pretty bloody good, actually. That's not bad. I'm glad I bought a couple of these. Can't tell me that's a shit meal. Certainly better than 2 minutes noodles. And you can't tell me that's a shit fucking meal. So those people who crapping on about it's got all these sulfurs and all this stuff in it, don't really give a fuck, mate. I think it's fucking it. Don't give a fuck, mate. I think it's fucking awesome. It was a great meal there. I'm going to be well and truly fed tonight. Well in time to have some drinks. So, quick shout out to Gracie. He's heading out of Brisbane, heading up this way. And there's a massive storm cells going across on the bottom side. Just say all Brisbane's copping and flogging, starting to head up this way. I wonder if I can actually show you on the bottom side here just quickly. So, Gracie, thinking of you out there, mate, and I hope you travel safe. Stand around wherever it is down there. I'll just just grab the camera for a minute and show you what he's about to drive through. He said he's going to go. He said he was going to be heading through Childers, so we're up here. There's Gayndah, Maryborough, I'm about here. This is all down Brisbane. They're just copping an absolute fucking flogging. This is around Dalby and Kingaroy, so that's all still a couple of hours away. This is Gayndah here, so it's just starting to come in. Right, there we are. So that's a bit of a closer look. So and it's coming south to north. It's coming through Chinchilla right now. So I said, we're Gayndah. It's just starting to come to our direction. If I go down to 120, and yes, this is the original bomb site, which is really good. So yeah, it's down there at the moment. So Gracie, old mate, just travel safe on the roads there and hope you have a good run up through Childers and everything. He said he'll be there in about 4 hours. Also to Grumpy, if you're out on the road, mate, travel safely as well. Yeah, so anyway, that's tea cooked for the night. Snowy's Black Country Cuisine. I absolutely fucking love them. I thank you, Husey, for putting me onto them. I think they're great meals. And as I said, you can shove your negative comments up your ass. I think these are fucking awesome. These are good. No worries. Anyway, worlds, that's Cooking with Hippy Trev, number 21 done. It's not really a cooking show at the moment. It's more like food reviews. I might do a few more food reviews on the other packs I've got, especially on the Mexican bean one. There's a couple other ones there, and from the other company, I can't remember right now, but it looked like a good meal. Do another food reviews on them. I'm not cooking at the moment. I'm not buying steak. Like I said, I'm not even buying sausages. I'm off the eggs. My chooks have stopped laying. And I'm not really cooking. I'm just pretty much living on sort of sandwiches, avocados when they're fresh and good, and a few other basic things. And a few other just basic things at the moment. And as far as hot meals, I'm not doing hot meals. So, yeah, these work quite well. So, anyway, well, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.